SQI introduced the MindTalk program to take care of a challenge, a problem that we saw. And what was the problem? It was the fact that SQI noticed that there are some students that when they join an organization, even as an intern, before you know it, within a few years, they rise up to the highest position, like maybe the CTO of the organization. We see it happening and we're excited about it. But at the point we noticed that it wasn't happening to everyone. So we now began to research what is the difference between those that are getting that promotion and those that are not getting even an offer of job at all. So we realized that some common issues like attitude, character, communication, dressing, the way you look that you ignore. Sometimes your relationship with your peers right here, those things we realize that it contributes to the success of those ones. So we brought in the MindTalk to make sure everybody knows that success is beyond the skills you have in classroom, and success goes as far as your character also, as their contributions to it as well.